Hello guys, this is a video on how I made this yummy coconut rice recipe with some mutton and shrimps. Guys, if you want to know how I made this plate of yumminess, then you definitely have to continue watching. This rice is so yummy. Look at that, guys. So yummy. Oh my god, guys, you have to continue watching. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Guys, you need to give this dish a try. Trust me. Look at that. Let's go there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite mama Ada Kings in the building. Oh, thank you guys for coming back again to another vlog. Okay, if you are new in the building, my name is Adaeze Onyeka. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Qatar. So you are welcome to this amazing family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and be part of this family. Turn on the notification bell so you will know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys once again for coming around. For all my subscribers, I always love you guys. Thank you guys. So guys, in today's video, I want to prepare coconut fried rice. Okay, so I want to show you guys how I prepare my coconut rice. Guys, if you test my coconut rice, it's on another level. So guys, do well to give this dish a try. Okay, so I will be using some shrimps and some mutton. Okay, so let's dig into the cooking and see how it's gonna look like. Guys, this dish is gonna bust your brain, trust me guys. So do give it a try after watching this video and tell me how you feel in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. Come with me. Come with me, let's dig in. Let's go there. I want to introduce you guys to the list of ingredients we'll be using for this dish. So here I have my basmati rice, guys. Here is some basmati rice. Okay, that's what okay, so here is my coconut oil. Guys, when you are making coconut rice, please don't forget to use coconut oil. Don't use any other oil. Okay, they are thoroughly washed. Here is my sweet corn. Here is my peas, green peas. Here is my seasoning cube. I have here the coconut itself. Okay, then I always add coconut milk, already extracted coconut milk, to it for extra coconut flavor. So here is our mutton meat we'll be using. Okay, extra protein. Here is 2 carrots. I have fresh tomato, just one, just for garnishing. This will be coming at the end of the dish. I have green bell pepper. I have 2 Scotch pot pepper. Okay, so these are what I will be using for this coconut rice. This I will use to spice my meat. Okay, here is some thyme. Here is my thyme. Here is my coriander powder. This is my chili pepper, guys. I have some curry powder, just small, to season my meat. I have some rosemary for the meat. Okay, I will be using ginger for this dish. Then here is some garlic cloves. Okay, so guys, let's start the meal prep. Test. Okay, this is my salt. I want to start prepping this. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to season this meat. garlic clove into this meat. Okay guys, I will be adding some onion them together. Okay, after with 18 film, okay, and allow to sit. I will cover with 18 film and I will allow it to sit for some minutes. Okay, depends on you and the time you have. The more it sits, the more the marinade enter. So let's take it to the freezer. Okay guys, we are getting started. So I want to wash my rice. I will be washing my rice thoroughly with clean water. Okay, I will not be parboiling this rice. Okay, because I want it to have this nice consistency. So in place of parboil, I will be washing off this rice thoroughly until the water becomes translucent. You know it's well washed. Okay, so that's it. So when the water becomes the coconut from the juice, okay. So guys, that's our coconut. The aroma in my kitchen is everything already, okay. So that's enough. Our garlic, okay. I told you guys that. So I'll be throwing in some onion. Putting in now. That belly scent in this food. Here is our rice, guys. Just for some time before we add water. So at this junction I will throw in my coconut. You be careful guys, look at that. Look at that. That's the result of the back of the coconut. So here is the tin coconut milk that I bought, guys. Here is it. Okay, I will be throwing that in as well. So guys, here is my chicken stock. Now at this junction we'll add all our peppers. Guys, my pepper is salt for taste. Okay. It's on low heat now, on the lowest heat. Okay, so let's allow it to get done like that. Okay, everything we are using for this dish is coconut. Okay guys, at this junction our rice is ready. Okay, throwing in is the meat, the mutton. Okay guys, I have fried cooked. All my veggies goes in now. Okay, this then, and some coconut flakes. Guys, this is coconut flakes. Okay, there is no. So at this juncture we're gonna give everything a quick stir to combine. Okay, my rice, I said, is too much. Look at that color, guys. Look at that color. So I will be adding the rest of the vegetables. So guys, don't forget to add your coconut flakes. There is no coconut rice without coconut flakes. So we'll be throwing in our green peas. So all vegetable goes in. Is there anyone we are leaving behind? Guys, trust me, the aroma in my kitchen. Guys, that's our sweet corn. Okay. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, seriously, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Guys, look at that color. Take a look at that and tell me what you think in the comment section. Our coconut rice is ready to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, okay? So that all the vegetables will, combine well with this rice. So we will be right back. 2 minutes later. So guys, it's already 2 minutes, okay? So let's give it a quick stir. So by now everything is well combined. Guys, our coconut rice is ready. Yes, our coconut rice is ready. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button down below. Share this video to your family and friends. Tell me what you think about this coconut rice recipe, okay? Like my video. Let's stay connected, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys hopefully in my next video. Our coconut rice is ready.